Everyone, welcome to another lecture. Today we'll be talking about lists in Python. So, list is a built-in data structure in Python which is used to store an ordered collection of items. It's mutable, that means list can be modified after creation. And data types. Items can be of any data type and can include other lists. It can be contained integer and it can also contain strings. So creating list. For creating the empty list, we will be using just 1/3 bracket, and with elements we'll directly use the elements like this. And this is the mixed list with mixed data types. First one is integer, second one is a string, third one is a float value, and the fourth one is boolean. So accessing elements. Suppose this is my list. Numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I access number 0, it will give this number, so the output is 1. And indexing starts 0 from list. If we type numbers -1, it will give me the last value. So this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, and so on. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how list works. Modifying list to add element. Numbers.append 6. Numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 because we appended 6, and it will go to the last value. Enter 10 here. So we will write numbers.insert to 10. That is, we are inserting 10 index 2, 0, 1, 2. Removing element. We want to remove 10 again. So we have to write numbers.remove 10. Then it will remove the 10. And if we use pop, then it will just eliminate the last one, like 6. So the output of this thing will be and after that the output of this thing will be list operation. Concatenation. What is concatenation? Adding one list with another list. Numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and list 2 equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to add numbers with list 2. So what's happening? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these two lists are concatenated. And if we want to repeat one list, then we have to write okay, just list 2 equal to list 2. Suppose we want to show it like thrice. No, let's say 4 times. So let's print list 2. Look, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's repeating this list 4 times. Membership 3 numbers. So okay, numbers dot sort. It's sorting the numbers. So if you want to reverse it, then we will write numbers dot reverse. It's reversing the numbers. If you want to print the index number, numbers dot index 10. So 10 is its 0th index. So it's printing 0. Slicing list, basic slicing, step slicing. Let's see how it works. Suppose we want to print on the first 3. So numbers equal to first thing is basic slicing. So 0 to 3. Let's see. What does it print? It's printing 1065. So it's basically this thing will not be counted here. It's up to 3. So it will basically print 0, 1, 2. Okay, so that's the number. Okay, now we will do step slicing. Instead of doing this, we can do num equal to numbers dot. Sorry. Let's see whether it gives us the same output. One, 3, 6. It's not giving us the same one. So what's happening there? First dot. Okay. Let's do another thing. So let's see what will happen here. See, it's giving the same output, right? As this one. So if we do not mention any index specifically before this, it will automatically assign the first index here, same as the last index. Or num. So it's printing 4, 5, 6. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be printing after the last number. Okay, What if we don't give anything? Sorry. It's invalid. It's also invalid. Why? Because we didn't put the numbers here. It's printing everything. If we do this too, it's just printing everything. It's just slicing. Because we didn't specifically mention. But what if we say 2? Like this. It's printing 1, 10, 4, 6. But it's printing 1 to 10. Why? It's a step. So the first thing is start index, and the second one is end index. It's actually before the end index we want. So, sorry, we have to type the number like we want up to index 5. So we have to write it 6 and the step like for this thing it will skip 2 steps. So 1, then it will skip this. Generally it goes by 1 step. Now it will go 1, 10, 4, 6, 2 steps. So this is basically step. Now iterating through list. I was already showed this. So if we use while loop I equal to 0 where I is less than len numbers, okay. So len basically means the length of the list. There are 7 elements here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why the len numbers is printing 7. So let's print this. So it's just basically doing the same thing as insert. So we did minus dot insert. Look, it's the same thing, set item and insert. Same. And if we do this, gap 3, look, it's replacing, it's not inserting. So insert and set item do not replace items, but if we directly do this, it will replace the item. And we have already seen remove, pop, clear. Oh no, we didn't say clear. So if we use clear, then my list will be empty. So get item will get the value. Suppose this is my list minus 5 equal to 1. So at index 1 there is 2, so get item will give you 2. Okay, this is anything. Okay, so with the other method we can actually learn the list of methods. So let's try this. Dir list. So list has these methods available. Generally we don't use this because they contain all our natives, but these are really important to extract this hello. So let's Write this off. And so this is my first list, and this is my second list. So the first list contains 1, 2, another list, then another list. So these are the list of the hello. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have to go to LST 3. Then we have to go at 0, 1. This 1 contains hello. So 1. And now we have to go to 0, 1, 2. 2. Let's see. Oh, it's printing hello. We have seen this. We have seen this. Delete list 2. It will just delete the element. Okay, let's try this. So first run this. It's printing Java and Python because we have deleted the element at index 2012. List comprehension, let's code this. So this basic comprehension. Okay. So it's basically the same as for x and y. Is equal to empty list append page. This it's giving the same output. It's generating a list here. So this is another way. So even if you can easily tell with the same statement, we will just add the if condition. It will return same output. So what's that? So our basic structure will be output like the output of the list, then loop, and then condition. Okay, so what's in the nested list? So common list functions, len numbers, we've seen it, max number, min number, sum numbers. Okay, so let's print list. Okay, so if we use max ls, it will give us 8. If we use min ls, that's 0. If we use sum ls, it will give the sum of the numbers. 4 plus 6 equal to 10, plus 2, 12, plus 8 equal to 20. So this is our basic list.